It is our first full day here in Punta Cana. We flew from Pittsburgh to Fort Lauderdale, from Fort Lauderdale to here. Let's roll tape. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Dominican Republic, Punta Cana. We're staying at the Royalton Bavaro Resort and Spa. I'll give you a room tour of that in a second, but I wanted to say, our first breakfast here in the Dominican Republic, we ordered room service. It looks absolutely fantastic. Might have ordered a little bit too much food though. All right guys, Holly's gonna give us a hotel room tour. Here we go.
This is your little seating area. We just had breakfast. It was really good. You can see pictures of the breakfast before we ate it at HollyCarol92 on Instagram. Bar area here where we currently have our suitcases, and under here is our mini bar. Here's the TV, obviously. Here's the bed, really comfy bed. Lincoln and I didn't have to touch each other the whole night. We had so much space. Mirror. Then you have this cute divider thing that's very artsy that separates the bath area from the living and bedroom space. A big tub with jacuzzis in it. And then you have your sink area, 2 sinks. They give you all the toiletries in case you've got anything. Very nice light up mirrors, very good for taking selfies. Then you have your shower, and it's a walk-in shower, and you come in and you've got two shower heads there, which is really nice, but then you also have the shower head that you can take off the wall if you need to, and then a bathroom. And as you can see, we have used quite a lot of toilet paper. Why is that, Holly? All right, we're headed to the ocean now. So like I said, it's our first full day here. We got here yesterday at like 3 o'clock. So this is gonna be a blast. We're here for 5 days. It's a long week here in the Dominican Republic. All right, we found a palapa. Holly's upset because her seat... I don't like this one.
2 very boring minutes later.
Sorry for being a bitch. Because I shouldn't be complaining about the length of the palapa. Most people don't even get to come sit under a palapa.
Life is full of mistakes, and I'm gonna take the camera down to the ocean.
Oh no.
But this time I'm not gonna drop it in the ocean. There's no telling how many people out here think I'm a total creeper with this camera. I personally grabbed us a couple of mojitos. Hey Holly, do I need to go topless out here on the beach? Yes. We're walking along the beach, going somewhere fun. We don't know where we're going, we're just walking on the beach. And that's my song to you guys. So one thing I don't like about Punta Cana is that all the resorts are back to back to back. Not the biggest fan of that. We've made it to the curve, Holly. It's starting to curve. The beach is getting curvaceous. The beach is getting curvaceous. All right. Walk is over. We're headed to the to a shop now and see if they got cigars. If they do, may get some. Holly, my shoes smell like a duck quacking.
They smell.
They sound like a duck quacking. Quack. The cigars were a bust because you gotta, well first off, you always have to buy the cigars, then you gotta buy the lighter and the cutter. It ends up being like 30 bucks. Totally not worth it, especially for people who don't smoke. All right, we're headed to dinner now. Holly's wearing her Sunday best. I'm wearing a t-shirt and shorts. I feel very underdressed. So we're going to Zen, which is a Japanese restaurant, I think. And then there's some shows afterwards. Some Manhattan at the Martini Mix Bar. It's Excellent.
Just last week you called me. The way you're talking is driving me insane. Hello. Just last week you called me. The way you're talking is driving me insane. Hello. Hello. Even if we're hanging by a thread, what you said is spinning in my head. I just wanna pull you closer.
Yeah, that was really well done. And it was free entertainment for the dub. A few moments later. All right, we're back in the room, guys. Now it's time to hit the hay, so I'm gonna be bouncing out of this vlog. Thanks so much for watching. As always, I'll see ya in the next one.